Dow falls more than 150 points, Boeing slides on downgrade. Stocks fell on Monday, pressured by declines in Boeing and General Electric, as Wall Street digested strong gains from the previous week and looked ahead to the start of the corporate earnings season. The Dow Jones Industrial Average declined by 155 points. The S&P Boeing dropped more than 3.5% after Bank of America Merrill Lynch cut its rating on the aerospace giant to neutral from buy. The bank said it, GE, meanwhile, fell more than 7% after JP Morgan cut its. Monday's declines comes after the major stock indexes posted their second consecutive weekly gains last week, boosted by progress on the US-China trade front and strong jobs data. President Donald Trump said Thursday investors. Wall Street expects this earnings season to be a tough one. First quarter from. On the data front, factory orders for February are scheduled for release at 10 a.m. ET. Snap shares rose more than 4% after RBC Capital Markets upgraded the social media company to outperform from sector perform, noting the potential. Sam Meredith contributed to this report.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.